Hey everyone, and welcome back to another crypto market update. It's Monday, May 25th, 2026, and there's quite a bit happening across the crypto space today. So let's jump right in. Starting with Bitcoin, we're seeing some strong momentum again. BTC has pushed above the $77,000 mark after a solid rebound over the weekend. A big part of that move seems to be tied to falling oil prices and improving sentiment across global markets. News of a possible agreement between the US and Iran has helped calm investors, and risk assets are responding positively. One of the hottest topics right now is Hyperliquid and its Hype token. The project continues to attract a lot of attention thanks to its aggressive buyback program, growing platform activity, and increasing institutional interest. While some Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs have been seeing outflows, Hype appears to be pulling in significant amounts of capital. Another story worth watching is what's happening on Wall Street. Bitcoin options could soon be coming to NASDAQ, assuming regulators give the final approval. If that happens, it would be another major step toward broader institutional participation in the crypto market and could make risk management much easier for larger investors. Tether is also making moves. The company has launched a new stablecoin backed by the Georgian lari, expanding its presence into yet another market. It's another sign that stablecoins continue to play an increasingly important role in global finance. Over in the Cardano ecosystem, things are getting interesting again. Charles Hoskinson is reportedly involved in auditing thousands of DAOs, while debates around decentralization are heating up within the community. For Cardano followers, that's pretty much business as usual. Ethereum has its own challenges at the moment. The Ethereum Foundation has been responding to criticism regarding talent leaving the ecosystem and questions about its long term direction. The discussion is far from over, and many in the community are watching closely. On the regulatory side, Australia is introducing new crypto rules starting in July, affecting exchanges and digital asset transfers. Meanwhile, in the United States, lawmakers continue pushing for clearer crypto regulations, with many hoping upcoming legislation will finally provide some long needed clarity for the industry. ETF flows have also been a major talking point. Bitcoin and Ethereum funds have seen billions of dollars leave in recent weeks, but that capital isn't necessarily leaving crypto altogether. Some of it appears to be rotating into alternative projects, including Hype and XRP related products. And finally, tokenized real world assets continue to grow at an impressive pace. The sector has now surpassed $34 billion in value, with tokenized government bonds leading much of that growth. At the same time, stablecoins and DeFi are increasingly being viewed as legitimate payment infrastructure, even for emerging AI driven applications. So, overall, the market remains volatile, but there's no shortage of opportunities. Bitcoin is holding around the $76,000 to $77,000 range. Altcoins are trying to gain momentum, and the AI plus crypto narrative continues to attract attention from both investors and builders. That's all for today's crypto update. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay informed, manage your risk, and keep an eye on the market. Take care, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next update. Bye, everyone.